This meat recipe has broken all records. Remove the core from a cabbage. Cut the pork neck into pieces. Place in a bowl. Peel 2 onions. Cut into thin half rings and place in the bowl. Season with vegetable oil, black pepper, salt. Mix well. Fill the cabbage with meat and onion. Pour beer. Marinate for 30 minutes. Drain the beer from the cabbage. Place the cabbages with meat in 2 baking bags. Mix Greek yogurt, mayonnaise, whole grain mustard. Put the sauce in both cabbages. Sprinkle with grated mozzarella. Tie the baking bags. Hang on the oven rack. Bake for 1 hour. Peel 2 large carrots. Wash in a bowl of water. Dry with paper towels. Cut the carrots into long, thin slices. Place in a bowl. Add finely chopped green onions. Drizzle with freshly squeezed lemon juice. Add ketchup, soy sauce, olive oil, chili flakes, salt, black pepper, black sesame seeds, white sesame seeds. Mix the salad. In the cold season, stuffed cabbage with meat is exactly what you need.